think the paella is done, isn't it, Brooke? How does it look in there? Does it look good? Whoa, man, check that out. That looks great. The shrimp, the scallops, the rice is done. We also didn't talk about, but we finished it with a little bit of saffron. So saffron is crazy expensive, like $75 an ounce. You know, Brooke, why is saffron so expensive?
Because it only has 3 stigmas.
A stigma is like the middle of the flower, so I guess somebody has to go around with little tweezers and every little flower and stigma and pick them out of the crocus plant, isn't it? Man, that's not easy, isn't it? So we're going to use a little Romanesca on the bed of this paella, and then we're going to scoop it up. Shrimp, mussels, chicken, sausage, a little bit more rice, a little lemon, some thyme sprig, and that looks like that'll make for a super happy plate here. So let's go ahead and do the tortilla espanola, and we're going to move over here. So again, more of the Romanesca. Okay. The omelet, you know, we didn't even really try the paella. I think it's still good. Should we get a little sampler? How about over here? Oh, there we go. Do we need to make sure it's okay? Yeah. Peanut? I think she likes it. You like it? Oh, here comes Ricky. Ricky gets one too. Here, Ricky. There we go. We are cooking from home, aren't we? So we're going to cut the tortilla espanola. Always odd numbers on presentation. 1, 2, 3. A little bit of green onion. Should I cut this with my eyes closed? That's a little much, isn't it? Tiny bit of grated green onions from the garden. Manchego cheese. Almonds. We got in the Romanesca. A little bit of fresh thyme. That's looking pretty good, isn't it? That sure beats the heck out of some ramen noodles, doesn't it, bro? Right here, girl. Great job today. Guys, thank you for watching. Have a great day.